Hello and welcome to Trojan Talk. I'm your host, Aaron Taylor. With me today is Dr. Wade Forehand. He's director of the School of Nursing here at Troy University. Thanks for joining me here today.
Thank you for having me.
And big year for the School of Nursing here at Troy University, celebrating 50 years of teaching nurses here. Tell us a little about just how you feel about this big moment in the history of the School of Nursing.
Certainly. Well, I can't be more excited. As you mentioned, this is the 50th year for our baccalaureate nursing program. So it means for the past 50 years, we've been putting out highly qualified, competent nurses that are not only impacting care here in our local community, state of Alabama, but across the nation as well.
And the nursing program at Troy is one that a lot of people are familiar with and know. And if you're in this area, if you've gone to a hospital in this area, there's a good chance that someone you've been in contact with has a connection to Troy. And I know that's got to be something that the program, the school is proud of the number of nurses that are out there working and helping the public. Certainly,
we're excited. It doesn't mean anything more than to see a face that's looking at you when you're at your sickest, your worst moment, and to know that it's a Trojan graduate, somebody that you know has been trained well, is prepared, and is going to be there providing the best care to you.
And the nursing program has gone through a number of changes over the years, including being the first program here at Troy to offer that doctoral level degree. And so what does that mean for a program at a university, I mean, anywhere, to be able to offer all three levels of education to anybody that's wanting to come and be a part of nursing?
So we're certainly proud of all of our programs, whether it's the baccalaureate, the associate, the master's, or the doctoral level. And what it means to students is they don't have to stop with their education. They don't have to go anywhere else. If they've enjoyed their experience, they know what they've been able to receive through their education at Troy, they just come right on back and go through our program. And it also means a lot to other communities, not only just to the state of Alabama, but we have students really across the 50 states that are looking for excellent programs, and the word's gotten out that we provide a great product and get a great experience for our students.
And it's one of those that obviously there are different campuses in Alabama, but there's an opportunity. This is one of those where students are going on all of the campuses for this, and this is an opportunity to be able to reach out to those communities and get people in the programs in those communities. So
certainly. So having an online presence, particularly in our graduate programs, is surmountable. It's huge. Students that don't have a school that's close to them. I mean, they want to continue their education, but there's nowhere that they can go in the local decent driving range. So they can come to Troy and complete their degree online.
And now, opportunity here to talk about some of the celebration that's going on, because you've just unveiled a new piece of equipment kind of in celebration to this 50th anniversary, and it's a state-of-the-art birthing simulator. Tell us a little about this this device and what it brings to the program.
So two things that we're very excited about is, one, we've renovated a new space in our building. It's called our new high-fidelity simulation suite. And it's got multiple beds, multiple level of simulation equipment that's there. So it provides a very realistic environment for our students. In addition to that, one of the nice and most exciting purchases that we've had recently was our new Sim Mom. So she's referred to as a high fidelity simulation piece of equipment, and she actually delivers an infant baby. So it gives students the opportunity to witness that entire process in a very safe and controlled environment for them to learn.
And why is that important to have that simulation there for a student here while they're learning?
So simulation is critical. Research shows that it's effective in the learning process. It's an excellent means to control the environment for students to be able to feel safe, to try different things as far as clinical judgments or clinical reasoning or critical thinking skills without actually harming or being afraid of basically messing up in front of the patient. So.
And there's a fun aspect to this new birthing simulator in the fact that folks can name the baby. So it's kind of a little competition there. Tell us about what you're doing there.
So part of the celebration that we're having with this new equipment, obviously it delivers an infant. So what we're asking is for any alumni, community, supporters, anybody that's interested that wants to take a piece of this history to be a part of it, to go online to vote. We have a website that's set up. You can select the gender, whether you're selecting male or female. And with that, we also have a series of names that you can vote, and hopefully you'll be the one that wins.
And voting, how does that take place? There's kind of a financial element to that as well, right? The folks can help out. Tell us about that.
There is. We're asking for, with the vote, for $1.
Okay.
You get to cast your vote for male or female and select the name that you prefer, and that's done completely online, tax deductible through our foundation. All those funds are going to go right back into the nursing program to provide more take.
And where can they find that?
So that easiest way to locate it is on our School of Nursing website.
Okay.
Right there on the beginning of the page.
All right, and they can click that and help name the baby.
Yes,
So,
we appreciate
sounds fun, and I want to thank you for joining me today, and congratulations on 50 years.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And thank you for joining us on today's edition of Trojan Talk.